Hello everyone, this is Nick from Fuda Brick Machine Factory. Today I'd like to show you how to choose a supplier on Alibaba. This is a quite popular block making machine, qt4-24. I highly recommend this machine for it's not big, but it's quite efficient. It's semi-automatic, but it can form a fully automatic production line if you choose all the proper things. Right now, during this purchase season, you can have a discount now. Comment or contact us on Alibaba. We can give you a good price and also a good after-sale service. We are the direct factory. We have engineers all around the world, so we can fix all your problems. Let's take a look at how it works. How those blocks are being made. It has many different modes: interlocking modes, hollow modes. The concrete blocks is based on the mode, and it's also easy to change the mode. It won't take much time to change the mode. As you can see, it can be made to fully automatic, so it needs no manpower to operate this machine. You can start your business from this moderate block making machine, qt4-24. Hello everyone, this is the Fuda block making machine. I'd like to show you our factory and our most popular products. Also, during this purchase season, you can have a discount now. Contact us on Alibaba. We can give you a good price and also a good after-sale service. As you can see, this is a moderate block making machine, qt4-24, but it can be made to a fully automatic production line. I highly recommend this product, for it's quite convenient and it's quite efficient. Right now, this machine is about $5,000, $6,000. We can ship to almost every country. I highly recommend this block making machine. It's quite suitable for those who want to start a business from a small place.